Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Honda CR-V key fob. Let's start with the basics. Your key fob has three main buttons: lock, unlock, and panic. To secure your vehicle, simply press the lock button once. For unlocking, a single press opens the driver's door, while two presses unlock all doors. If you ever need to draw attention, hold the red panic button for about 3 seconds to activate the alarm. Beyond the basic functions, your CR-V key fob offers some convenient advanced features. For instance, you can remotely start your engine. First, press the lock button, then immediately press and hold the engine start button for a few seconds until the engine turns on. This is perfect for warming up or cooling down your car. Additionally, holding the tailgate button for 2 seconds will open your power tailgate, making loading and unloading much easier. Maintaining your key fob ensures reliable operation. If you notice a reduced range or inconsistent responses, it's likely time to replace the battery. Most Honda CR-V key fobs use a CR2032 coin cell battery. To replace it, carefully separate the two halves of the fob using a small flathead screwdriver. Gently remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. This simple step keeps your fob working perfectly. Sometimes, your key fob might not work as expected. First, try replacing the battery as discussed. If that doesn't resolve the issue, your fob might need reprogramming, which a dealership can assist with. Remember, there's a physical key hidden inside the fob for manual entry if the battery dies completely. Simply slide the release tab and pull out the key. Always keep your key fob dry and avoid dropping it to ensure its longevity.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.